Did you know king penguin chicks are some of the world's ultimate survivors? South Georgia is one of the most hostile places on the planet. Freezing winds blow at over 100 kilometers an hour. And sub-zero temperatures bring sleet and snow. Abandoned by their parents for the entire winter while they fish for food, chicks huddle together to stay alive. On the edge, this young male is battered by the elements. His fat reserves are running low, and so are his chances of survival. Many of his friends have already succumbed to the cold. And waiting on the sidelines, predatory birds like this skua are quick to take advantage. The young chick tries to protect the bodies of the fallen, but he needs to save his strength. Every day he grows weaker. Until finally, riding the waves, his parents return. Now all they need to do is find him. With everyone arriving home en masse, that's easier said than done. With bellies full of fish, the parents are weighed down, and as a snowstorm closes in, the odds don't seem in their favour. But thanks to his unique call, the chick's hungry cries are answered. The feathered family reunite, and the chick is finally filled to bursting. Like, share and subscribe at Wild for the World to share the love of nature.